Hi, this is Kaushik. Welcome to another tutorial of AutoCAD 2021 episode number 2. Today I'm going to teach you basic selection tools and creating basic objects. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's begin. If you go to the home column and go to the draw section, you will find the basic tools to draw on the sheet. Let's draw a rectangle. It will ask you for a starting point. If you click the left mouse click, and it will ask for you the second point or the second corner point. You can see there are two boxes at the length and one at the width of the rectangle, and you can change the selection by clicking the tab button in your keyboard. Okay, let me draw a rectangle of say 5000 mm into 5000 mm, and click enter. Okay, its dimension is 5000 to 5000 mm. Okay, let me show you one more time. You can start from anywhere in the drawing sheet. You need to click the left click. You can draw in any direction you want, and to change the length and width you can tab you can click the tab button and change the selections. Let me draw this one, say 10,000, then click tab and again 10,000, and now you need to click enter. Okay, this is your rectangle basically. So let's draw a line, say line. You just click at the drawing sheet. You can draw anywhere you want, and it will continue from the end point again, and you can draw as much as you like. And to cancel this one, you need to click you need to press the escape button in your keyboard. Okay, this is your circle. It will ask for you the radius. You can see, as you can see, it will ask for you the radius, say 5000. Okay, if you see at the side of the circle, you will find a arrow icon, and if you click that, you will find various options, like you can draw the circle using the diameter. Let me show you. This time it has asked the diameter, so let's say 5000, so it's half the size of this circle. Okay, and like that, if you see at the line icon, you will find polyline. It's basically same as the line. It will continue from the end points, but the only difference between a line and a polyline is that in lines we can select a single line from starting to end. It will not select the second line, but in case of polyline, if we select any part of the line, it will select the whole first to last, including all the lines. Okay, uh, and this is for your eclipse. These tools are not used in the civil, most of the civil works, so let's not go into these details. Basically, there are rectangles, circle and lines and polylines which are used in civil engineering, in drawing a plan or building, whatever you say. Okay, now if you want to select a object, you need to click the right click over the object. As you can see, the mouse, at the center of the mouse there is a small rectangle, and the area in the rectangle helps you to select the object. Okay, if you select from the left side, okay, let me cancel the selection. To cancel the select, you need to hold the shift button in your keyboard and right click over the object. It will unselect the selected object. Okay, to select, if you select from the right side, like by clicking the right click of your mouse and drag your mouse, you can see it has selected the objects. Okay, but there is one difference. If you can see the box, I haven't selected till here, so if I select this way, it won't get selected, as it is not inside the whole selection box. If I do this way, it will get selected. Okay, and again, if you select from the right side, even tiny bit of the object comes under the selection box, it will get selected. So basically this is the basic selection tools and the basic objects creation. So let's meet in the next tutorial.